Hello guys, welcome back with the fourth puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper of Thursday. Yes, it's Thursday, February the 16th 2023, and I've already solved 3 puzzles: the 3-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. So 1 puzzle is left. It's the Tectonic, yes, Tectonic with 4 stars. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, Suguru. And this will be number 5974. 5974. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 17 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 17, but it's indicated with 4 stars. And for a 4-star puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, this is really a 4-star puzzle. I do not know, we will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Boxes, yeah, only 1 single box. Single box always a 1. Following question, do we have here in a dual box or boxes here? Here dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also a dual box contains the 1 and the 2. The 2 is already filled in, so that box should be a 1. Triple boxes then. Do we have triple boxes here? Let me scan. Only 1 triple box contains the 1, the 2 and the 3. Well, I do not know in which order, but when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, this is the middle box, is always, the box is always 4 or a 5. Okay, 4 or a 5. Then do we have here in this puzzle quadra boxes? Let me check for quadra boxes. No quadra boxes here. Then the following strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures or constructions. For example, we have here the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. Right, when you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box, but also that box has the same number as this box. Alright, so that box has the same number as this box. Only 1 T shape. Right, then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. Alright, okay. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. We have more of these kind of shapes. Here another one. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 or a 2. 1 or a 2. Well, I think this box should be a 2 because we have another shape. Same shape but mirrored. This box has the same number as that box, so in this case it's a 2. Not a 1 but a 2, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. So 1 digit left in this dual box for number 1. Here another 1. Yeah. So this box has the same number as that box. Only 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 4 shapes. Then the following shape. How about this kind of shape? Let me draw this here. Alright, okay. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box, so in this case it's a 1. A 1. Okay, more of these kind of shapes. Here another 1. Mirrored, yes, so this box has the same number as that box. Okay, let me check. no, only 2 of them. How about the L shape? We have an L shape here. Let me draw the L shape here. We have here the L shape. Remember that if you see the L shape, this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. The L shape, do we have more? Yeah, upside down. This one. So this box has the same number as that box. And I believe those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Yeah, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 shapes, maximum 6. No, wait, I see another one here. Totally different, this one, yeah. Let me draw this one here. Okay, when you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Alright, so this box has the same number as that box. Only one. Yeah, and those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. 5, maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 5 that you need to recognize, and the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. 1 box left in this area for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 3 goes there. These 3 boxes surround 1. Can it be a 1? So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 2. We have a 2 here, but also that box can be a 2 because we have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Yeah, could be there, okay. 1, 2, 3. These 2 boxes can be 1. Those 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. I think this box should be 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those 3 and 4, 3 and 4. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not a solution to place the 1 there. If I place the 1 here, this box is connected with that box, should be also 1, but we already have a 1 here. So, not a solution for the 1 here. The 1 is supposed to be here. Alright. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 1. Because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of the 2 boxes. So this box can be 1, but also that box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. Now we have a 2 here, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this W area shape should be here. That means that this box can be a 2 anymore because we have already have a 2 there. So no 2 here. The only place left for the 2 in this area should be here. And this box is connected with that box, should be a 2. This box is also connected with that box, should be also 2. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Let me mark those. 3 and 4 is connected with that box, should be also 3 and 4. Alright. These two boxes can be a 1, so one box left for the 1 should be here. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so one box left for the 1 in this area should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. Those 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, so one digit left. One box left for the 1 in this cross area should be there, and this connected with that box should be also 1. This box is also connected with that box, should be also a 1. This box can be a 2, that box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so one box left for the 5 in this W area shape should be here. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 3 and 4, 3 and 4, okay. That means that this box can be a 3 or a 4. We have a double 3 there and double 4 there. So the 3 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. So one digit left in this area for number 1. Alright, these 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Let me see. 1, 2. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Let me see. Go up. 2 digits left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Well, 2. This box can be a 2, so 2 could be here, could be there. 3 and 4, overlook this 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 3. 3 and 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 3 goes there. Then, let me think. Well, this box can be a 1, can be 2, can be 3. So 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 5. The 4 and the 5, that means that this box is connected with that box, so we also 4 and the 5. Now in this area, we have a pair, 4 and a 5. So one digit left in this area for number 3. This box can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Well. Let me think. 5. This box can be a 5 because we have a double 5 there, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Alright. Let me think. Need a 5 here. 2, 3, 4. In this area I need a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Same as here, okay. 1, 2, 4, 3 or 5. 3 or 4. Overlook this 2. We have a double 2 there. We already have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be 2. I think this box should be 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Okay, this box can be a 5, so the 5 goes together with the 2 as a pair. 2 and 5, 2 and 5, so one digit left in this L-shaped area for number 4. Well, this box can be a 5 because we have a double 5 there. So the 5 could be here, could be there. 1, 2, okay. Need to wait here. 3, 4, 3 4. Yeah, 4 5. This is 4 5 2 1 1 4 1 4. Wow. 3 3 4. Difficult part. 3 and 4, 3 and 4, 4 and 5. How about here the 3 and a 4? Need a 3 and a 4 there. 3 and 4. Overlook these 2 5s. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 and more. That box should be 5. So 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for the numbers 3 and 4, 3 and 4. This one is connected with that box, should be also 3 and 4. Alright, so I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes here. Alright. So this box can be a 3, so 3 could be here. Could be there. Well, I cannot place the 3 there. We have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So it's not the solution to place the 3 there. Only place left for the 3 should be here. And this one is connected with that box. Should be also 3. One box left in this L-shaped area for number 4. These two boxes can be 4, so one box left for the 4 in this area should be here. This one is connected with that box, should be also 4. One box left in this area for number 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. I've marked this box with 4 or a 5. We have a 4 here, so this box should be a 5. Is connected with that box, should be also 5. One box left in this area for number 4. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Need a 2 here. White 4 and 5. We have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 3 and 4, we have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. These two boxes can be 3, so one box left for the 3 in this T-shaped area should be there, and I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. One box left in this T-shaped area for number 4. 2 and 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Okay, we go here. 4, 1, need a 2. 3 and a 4. We have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with the 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be 3, and I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. One box left in this triple box for number 2. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be 1, and I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. And the final number in this area should be number 2. Finished in 19 minutes. Alright, great. Tectonic. 19 minutes, 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. Have a great and fantastic Thursday. And yeah, until then, bye bye for now.